Hey everyone, I am doing a gear video because I'm headed out for the Superior Hiking Trail, just doing a weekend trip, but I plan to go up there quite a bit this summer, do lots of longer weekend backpacking trips. And I've been doing a lot of research on backpacking gear, watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I decided to document what I've collected so far for gear, talk about why I've chosen it, and then maybe after I do some backpacking trips, I'll talk about how the gear is working for me and what kind of changes I might make. So this is this is everything that I so far have decided to bring for a weekend trip. I'm going to start here with the pack. I've got a Deuter 45 liter. It's the Act Light 45 plus 10. So it basically is a 45 liter, but it has this hood or the top part that expands and makes it into a 55 liter, which is really nice. And you can see here I've got a trash contractor bag that I've put on the inside of it to help keep my things dry. I don't have a pack cover yet, so I wanted something that would make sure everything stays really dry. This is the sleeping bag that I'm bringing. It is actually a camping sleeping bag. It's a mummy style. It's a 0-degree bag, so it's really warm. It's a Gander Mountain Slumberjack style, and I've had it for about 15 years, and I've really enjoyed it when I go camping. It's heavy for backpacking. It's about 4.5 pounds, so eventually I do have plans to get something from Enlightened Equipment so that I have something lighter, and I don't think I need a 0-degree bag, but for this weekend it'll be nice because it is going to be cooler. As you can see, it's bulkier, and I'm actually just planning to stuff it into the bottom of the bag. I'm not even going to compress it. I'm just going to smush it all the way down, let it fill in the very, very bottom part of the bag, and hopefully this trash contractor bag will keep everything really dry. Here I've got a Kelty. It's a Kelty Grand Mesa 2-person tent. Here's the tent, the rain fly, the stakes, and the poles. And it's really easy to set up. It also weighs in just a little over 4 pounds. So it's a little heavier than some of those ultralight tents, but this is a 2-person tent, so it's a little roomier, and it was a really good deal. It was only about $140. And because I don't really want to sink a whole lot of money into backpacking just yet, I thought this would be a really good start to see how it works. So I'll probably do a video of it eventually, setting it up so people can see what the size of it looks like and get an idea of how it's working for me. Over here, I think I'll move on to food. This is a huge food bag. It's actually probably too much food, but it's for 2 people for 2 days. So if it was just me, that would be about 4 days worth of food. I do actually think I might be bringing a little bit too much food, but I've taken an inventory, and I'll see how much food is left when I come back, and that'll give me a better sense of how much food I should be bringing when I go hiking. I'm not really sure yet. I have not figured that piece out yet. Here's some random things like silverware and bandanas. And of course I've got my cookware. It's a GSI Soloist. And inside the Soloist I've got my fuel, and I've got a dish, like a little bowl that sits on top of the fuel, and a mug as well, so that me and my hiking partner will each have something to drink our coffee out of in the morning. Over here for water, I'm going with the Sawyer Squeeze. I've heard really good things about it. And it was pretty cheap in terms of water filtration system. This was a really good price for what's out there. Pretty easy to carry. I liked that. So I'm going with the Smart Water bottle. It's a 1 liter, so I'll be carrying that and drinking out of that. And then I've got a couple of pouches for the Sawyer Squeeze to filter water, because we will be running into a lot of creeks and springs. That should not be a problem, being able to find water source. Over here I've got my evening clothes. I am planning on actually wearing the same clothes for hiking during the day, and then at night I've got a base layer, like a Long John base layer, and a cotton layer for the top and bottom, and some really nice thick wool socks. So that should keep me warm, and they'll be dry, which is good in case it rains. This is my rain jacket. I like that it compacts into a pocket, and I can clip it to my backpack, which is also really nice. There's the carabiner. And then over here I've just got like a first aid kit, some soaps and water sanitizer, some a toiletry bag, and then this is toilet paper and more hand sanitizer wipes, and off toilets, which is really nice. I don't want to bring a whole bag of off spray, so this is nice to have the toilets. And then over here, just miscellaneous things like rope to hang the bear bag, emergency whistle, trowel. This is like a selfie stick, so I can take some videos. And that is my gear video. So I'll try to post another video when I actually get out on the trail and let you know how it's working for me. Thanks. Bye.